Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about how do wind turbines work. Today we're going to be talking about, well, how do wind turbines work, okay? So I'm pretty sure you've seen wind farms, right? Like in the distance, you'd see the wind turbines and windmills, blowing the air blowing on them, and they're moving and they generate electricity. But how do they work? Okay, so here we have a wind turbine here. So we're gonna look at the top of the hub here. This right here is a wind vane. The camera can see it, I'm guessing, if you can. So here is a wind vane. What this does is basically it shows the turbine where the wind of direction is, so that way the turbine can turn to that specific direction of wind and gain that much energy, which makes it spin. And the blades of the wind turbine also can rotate independently for resistance purposes, okay? And the thing is, okay, these wings, okay, they span up to around 60 meters long and are very light and very durable as well for transport because of the material that they're made out of. And they're mostly made, that's why they can spin and rotate up to slow winds around 11 kilometers per hour or per meter to around 90 kilometers per meter, okay? It could go up to that much, but if it gets higher than that, then it would have to stop immediately, and the blades would, instead of turning sideways, turn front, because these blades are designed to catch wind, as much wind as it can, and then they'll shift so that way it does not want any wind and immediate stops for safety purposes, okay? But let's look inside and see how this thing ticks, okay? So here we have the hub where the wings are connected, and when it rotates, okay, all the kinetic energy, the wind force being the kinetic energy, is transported to the low speed shaft, okay, which rotates with the hub, going around 7 to 12 RPM, okay? But in order to basically create electricity, you need to move it faster. So that's why in between there is a gearbox, and the gearbox makes it go 100 times faster, okay, which is then sent to the high speed shaft, which makes it go around 1500 RPM, which is eventually sent to a generator, and then all that power electricity goes down to a transformer, which allows it to have high enough voltage to make it be able to move around. Eventually it goes to some port and then is sent out to all the customers that demand the supply of electricity, okay? And this is how this free from pollution and renewable source, and this is basically how do wind turbines work. That's how they work. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!